So I wanted to review this Sadaf Pickled Cucumbers in brine. This is 6 pounds, guys, 6 pounds. And I had paid basically $9 for 6 pounds of really good quality pickled cucumbers. These are from Egypt. And we can see right here, as always, I don't look at any of the other stuff but the ingredient list. And we can see right here, selected cucumbers, water, salt, vinegar, and spices. That's it. A lot of other cucumbers and pickles that you purchase will have a variety of different artificial and this variety of different bad ingredients. So I'm very happy to say that this one has really simple, clean ingredients. The salt content is somewhat fairly high. One pickle is 340 milligrams of sodium. One way to do that is kind of soak it in water if you don't want the salt to go in. But overall, this is very good quality. So let's go ahead and open this up here so you guys can see. So I went ahead and opened it up. As you can see, these are the cucumbers. Fairly small, fairly nice. Let me go ahead and bite into one. Nice, crunchy. Not too bad. Now, I would have preferred if these pickled cucumbers were smaller, but these aren't bad either. Really nice. Anyways, as you can tell, I got this from an international market, so you will not find this type of price and quality at a major retailer or supermarket. So definitely check out your international markets in your area. You'll probably get a really good deal. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys. Press the like button, subscribe, and as always, comment down below if you've tried this type of pickled cucumbers, or if there's another type of brand out there that you do recommend and that you think is pretty good. I had purchased these pickles. It's called Grillo's Pickles from Costco. These are pretty good too. Ingredient list, you can see, is pretty straightforward, pretty good as well. So sodium content is a lot less too. So a lot less salt in these that in comparison. But the reason is why is because this was refrigerated, this was not, and this one was basically at room temperature. So they want to make sure that there's no bacteria that's grown. With that said, let me know down in the comment section. Like, subscribe, check you guys out later. Thanks.